Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find Files app. When you find it, click on it. Then, in order to use it, choose Continue and tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle after choosing Got it. Lastly, click on Downloads. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!